In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Prestashop child theme in just 5 minutes. This process allows you to modify your store's appearance and functionality without worrying about losing your custom changes whenever the parent theme gets updated. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First things first, to get started, you need to log into your Prestashop back office. Open your preferred browser and navigate to your shop's admin login page using the URL for your shop domain, followed by admin. Once you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password to access your admin account. After you've double checked to make sure everything's typed in correctly, click that login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the Prestashop back office dashboard. This is the control center where you manage your online store. To begin the customization process, look for the design section on the main menu and give it a click. Next, you'll want to navigate to theme and logo and select theme modules. This is where we'll find the options related to your store's current theme. Proceed by clicking on advanced customization. This is an important step as it allows you to exert more control over your theme's elements. Here, you might see an option to download your current theme. Go ahead and download it as a precautionary measure. This ensures that you have a backup in case you need to reference the original files later. Now, with your theme downloaded, it's time to create and edit your child theme. Editing a child theme involves modifying its files to personalize your store's look and functionality. You might want to add or tweak CSS, JavaScript, or even Smarty templates. This allows you to maintain the original design you love, but with tweaks that suit your brand's unique style or functionality requirements. If you need to modify a specific template, you can easily copy it from the parent theme and make your changes within the child theme. This creates a separate version for your customizations, while the original stays untouched. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's time for the final steps: uploading and activating your child theme. To upload and activate, revisit the customization section and follow the prompts to import your child theme. Once uploaded, activate it as your store's theme. This action ensures your store reflects all those custom modifications you've just put in, and just like that, you have successfully created and set up your Prestashop child theme. With all that said and done, you should now have a beautifully customized storefront. I hope you found this guide helpful. Adjusting your Prestashop theme might seem daunting at first, but with practice it becomes more intuitive. Thank you for tuning in and happy customizing.